Guys, we are back. Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. As always, it is so great to see you. We have some very exciting news to discuss with you this week. Among the top headlines is that Canon just might be working on a super high resolution 90 megapixel EOS R5S. Now, as an R5 owner, pointing to it right here, I'm very excited about the prospect of an even more high-powered option in the near future. But before we get into all of that or the other stories this week, I do want to take a moment and say hello and welcome you to the channel. And if you're new here, really appreciate you tuning in, and well, if you're a returning viewer, thanks for swinging on back today. Now, if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do that before you leave. We publish videos on a weekly basis, and well, I don't want you to miss out on any of our content. Besides, we have these monthly giveaways with some really awesome photography gear, and part of the eligibility or the requirements to win one of these things is, well, you need to be a subscriber. So hit that subscribe button, or at least consider hitting that before you go heading off. Now, on to the news. Okay, Canon might have a 90 megapixel camera in the works. Now, you might recall last week we spoke about Canon's plans for a cheap full-frame mirrorless camera in 2021. Well, this week the rumor mill is pointing or suggesting that Canon might not only have a high ultra-resolution camera plan, but they are very close to making that official announcement. Now, the number of megapixels this camera will have seems to change all the time, but the recent rumors point or suggest that this thing may have a 90 megapixel sensor. Now, this is important because other brands like Sony and Fuji have come out with high megapixel cameras, or they're planning them. And guys, and if Canon wants to retain those loyal followers that need high resolution imaging, they might need to blow the doors off with this camera. And what makes this rumor really unique is evidently there's tests already being conducted with the R5S. Not only does this beg the question of how many megapixels this camera has, but also what the frame rate will be and what the EVF will look like, and of course, the ergonomics and so forth. Now, from what we can see, the rumors suggest that this camera will be photography first. That being the case, we might not see 8K video like the R5 has. Now, only time will tell what this camera has underneath the hood. Next, GoPro 9 is on the way. Now, I'm a big fan of GoPro, so I'm excited to hear that the GoPro 9 Black seems to be, well, on its way. Rumors point to a more expensive action camera, but also one that has much more features than the Hero 8 Black. Now, this includes a 1.4-inch front display, a 2.27-inch display on the back. Additionally, rumor has it that GoPro has developed a brand new 23.6 megapixel sensor, which would be the first new sensor in the last 8 years. It would also be a huge resolution jump from the current 12 megapixel sensor. 5K also video is also reportedly part of the package. Rumors also point to the HERO9 Black having a bigger battery, which awesome. This is going to be great for those days where, of course, you can't stop those adventuring. I use multiple GoPro Hero 8s when I'm out and about getting my B-roll, and so battery life or extended battery life is, of course, high interest, or something of high interest rather. Now, other goodies might include software upgrades like HyperSmooth 3.0, which would have to be pretty damn awesome considering the HyperSmooth 2.0 is already such a beast. And of course, you know we're going to keep you updated with all the developments, so stay tuned for future videos on that. Now, let's jump over to Nikon. Nikon will announce 2 new lenses very soon. Nikon has, of course, some very exciting news on its own. In just a matter of days, Nikon is set to announce not 1 but 2 Z-mount lenses. The lenses will apparently be the Nikkor 50mm 1.2S and the Nikkor 14-24 2.8S. Now guys, both of these lenses are going to fit really nice with the current Z offerings, with the 50mm 1.2 giving the Z shooters a very fast standard lens, and the 14-24 2.8 finally rounding out that holy trinity of Nikon 2.8 zooms. Now, rumors also suggest that the 50mm 1.2 will have 17 elements and 15 groups, as well as a built-in LCD and a built-in function button. The 14-24 2.8 meanwhile is rumored to be versatile, compact, smaller, and lighter than the F-mount version of this lens. It will also have a built-in LCD and a function button. And again, we're going to see how these specs really pan out when these lenses are officially announced. All right, that's the news for the week. Let's talk about our current giveaway. giveaway. Here are the prizes that you can win this time: a ViewSonic VP3881 38-inch monitor, a ViewSonic VP34 81 34-inch monitor, a year's worth of coffee from our friends at F-Stop Coffee, and of course the $100 Adorama gift card. Now, entering the giveaway is super simple. Step 1, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Step 2, leave a comment below. In fact, the more of our videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the more chances that you have to win. So get watching some of our other videos and leave some comments. Step 3, register on PhotographyTalk and introduce yourself in the forum. Now, if you have registered in the forum during one of our last giveaways, you're still eligible to win. But as I keep saying, come on over, say hello, we'd love to see you. And friend, that is it for now. Complete details on the giveaway, including how to register on PhotographyTalk and how to say hello in the forum, check out the description below. Good luck. Well, there you go, friend. Photography Talk episode 41. If you found this video to be helpful, hit that like button down below. If you're currently not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, smash, kick that bell to be notified each time that we come out with a new video. All right, friend, I'm going to jump on out of here. You get out there, stay healthy, and create your best shot.